In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Framer templates. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is you must create an account with Framer. So if you don't have it and if you're not logged in, you'll have to create one to be able to, of course, edit these templates. Now, the first thing you don't want to do is you want to go to Framer's Marketplace. You can find it on this link. And then over here, you want to hover over Resources up top and click on Marketplace where it says Templates and Plugins. Now, this will load up the Marketplace, and if you scroll down a bit, over here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different templates, and you can go ahead and see all over here and find a lot of different ones. Now, of course, some of these are paid, some of them are free, and of course, you can select whichever one you want, of course, according to your own plans. Now here, I'm going to just select this one over here because it's free for this tutorial, and I'm going to edit this one. So if I just click on it, it's going to basically go ahead and kind of show you everything. You can preview it if you wanna, and then if you wanna use it and actually edit it, you can just click on use for free over here. It's going to load into your Framer, and as you can see here, it's going to say by who this is, and you can just click on the copy button at the bottom, and it's going to basically start copying this inside your Framer project. And as you can see, it's already created a copy. Now, usually this will take up a few seconds, up to a few minutes, depending on your internet connection, stuff like that. And there we go. As you can see, this is already done here. And yeah, I have it here for desktop. There's also one for tablet and one for mobile phone as well. And this is basically the website. From the template, you can go ahead and edit pretty much anything you want. So as you can see, I can go ahead and change whatever text I want in here. And of course, I can create whatever I need from this basic template. Okay, so I can edit it just like I can edit basically any other projects inside Framer, which I created, and that's kind of how you edit Framer templates. It's very simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.